Hello traders. Welcome to today's Pairs of the Day update. Let's take a look at the latest movements and key factors affecting the Euro, US Dollar, USD, and Japanese Yen, JPY. On Tuesday, the Euro made significant gains against the US Dollar, with the Euro to US Dollar pair climbing 0.4%. This upward movement pushed the pair above the 1.1100 level, a milestone it hasn't reached since last December, marking a fresh high for 2024. The Euro's strength is underpinned by a series of consecutive positive trading sessions, positioning it for a potential further rise as market sentiment remains bullish. Looking ahead, the focus will shift to Thursday when the Pan-European Purchasing Managers' Index, PMI, activity survey results are released. Expectations are that the EU manufacturing PMI will hold steady at 45.8, while the services PMI is forecasted to remain at 51.9. These figures will be closely watched as they could provide further direction for the euro, especially against the backdrop of its recent gains. The US dollar continues to face headwinds as market sentiment shifts to a risk-on stance. Investors are increasingly betting on the likelihood of Federal Reserve rate cuts, particularly with the Jackson Hole Symposium on the horizon. This sentiment has added downward pressure on the dollar, as traders look for signals from Fed Chair Jerome Powell that could confirm or counter these expectations. The US dollar to Japanese yen pair has been trading in negative territory near 145.35 for several days, reflecting a broader weakness in the US dollar. The anticipation of a dovish message from Fed Chair Powell at the Jackson Hole Symposium is weighing heavily on the greenback, as investors prepare for potential policy shifts that could further undermine the dollar's strength. Japan's economy received a boost with stronger-than-expected GDP growth of 0.8% in the second quarter, surpassing forecasts of 0.5%. This robust performance has raised the possibility of further rate hikes by the Bank of Japan, which in turn has strengthened the Japanese yen. Traders are now closely watching the upcoming National Consumer Price Index, CPI, for July, set to be released on Friday, for additional cues. Now, let's move on to the technical analysis and check out the charts. We have opened the 4-hour chart of Euro to US Dollar. The price is currently trading above the 20-period moving average. The stochastic indicator is moving higher inside the overbought area, suggesting a potential upward movement. For support and resistance levels, we have identified 1.1046 and 1.0982 as support, with resistance levels at 1.1173 and 1.1239. If the price moves higher, it may encounter resistance near 1.1173 or potentially extend towards 1.1239. On the downside, any declines could find support around 1.1046 or potentially extend down to 1.0982. Now, let's switch to the 4-hour chart of US dollar to Japanese yen. The price is currently trading below the 20-period moving average. The stochastic indicator is also crossing higher inside the oversold area, indicating a potential slight upward movement. For support and resistance levels, we have identified 143.98 and 142.27 as support, with resistance levels at 146.46 and 147.95. If the price moves higher, it may encounter resistance near 146.46 or even test higher towards 147.95. On the downside, any declines could find support around 143.98 or potentially extend down to 142.27. Always remember to consider your risk management strategy before entering any trades. That's it for today's update. See you in the next video.